India vs Afghanistan 2026 second ODI match. Match detail and teams final playing 11 confirmed. Match details. Second ODI match. Date 17 June 2026. Timing 1:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Venue at Lucknow. Indian team final playing 11 confirmed. First, Rohit Sharma. Second, Shubman Gill, captain. Third, Ishan Kishan, wicketkeeper. Fourth, Shreyas Iyer. Fifth, KL Rahul. Sixth, Nitish Kumar Reddy. Seventh, Washington Sundar. Eighth, Harsh Dubey. Ninth, Harshdeep Singh. 10th, Gurnur Brar. And 11th, Prasiddha Krishna. Afghanistan team final playing 11. First, Ibrahim Zadran. Second, Rehmanullah Gurbaz, wicketkeeper. Third, Sadiqullah Atal. Fourth, Hasmatullah Shahidi, captain. Fifth, Rahmat Shah. Sixth, Azmatullah Omarzai. Seventh, Mohammad Nabi. Eighth, Rashid Khan. Ninth, Mohammad Salim. 10th, Zia Rehman. And 11th, Allah Gajanfar. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. धन्यवाद.